Greetings from the new episode of Unanswered Big Questions. This time, we're questioning ourselves. What makes us human? When we look at our DNA, we now know that we share about 99% of it with chimpanzees. But strangely enough, we're also about 50% similar to a banana. That's really strange. Perhaps the most fundamental difference is the size of our brain. Although it's not the largest brain in absolute terms, we rank first in terms of the number of neurons per unit volume. For example, we have roughly 3 times more neurons than a gorilla, about 86 billion in total. However, traits we often think define humanity, such as tool use, communication, or recognizing oneself in a mirror, are also observed in other animals. So maybe culture is the real distinguishing factor here, along with how culture affects our genes, or perhaps the other way around. Scientists also believe that cooking food and mastering fire may have allowed us to acquire more neurons. On the other hand, it could be our capacity for cooperation and collaboration, and our ability to pass skills from one generation to the next that truly makes us human. But for now, there is still no definitive answer.